Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to see who saved your post on Instagram using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Instagram app. Then just go ahead and log in your account. And by the way, in order for this to work, you need to switch your personal account to professional account. Okay? So now, once you switch your account from personal to professional, I want you to do is to click on your profile photo at the lower right corner of your screen. And now, click on any post that you want to check who saved it. And as you can see here at the upper part of the like button, comment section, and the share button, there's this view insights, right? So once you click on that, you can see who or how many people liked your post, comment, share, or saved it. Okay, so in this feature, you cannot see who or you cannot view who saved your post. Okay, so when you check all of your posts, you can see that there's this feature where you can see how many people interact with your post. Okay, so that's it. That is how you see who saved your post on Instagram. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you at the next one, and have a great day.